Hey guys, I got a package today to unbox. So I just got this delivered today. So let's do a live unboxing, fresh from the mailman. All right, so just gonna rip it apart and unboxing it live. All right, so as you know, of course, the title already says it, right? It's a DJI Osmo Nano. I just got it. So I really got no idea what's inside this package. Of course, I know it's an action cam by DJI, but I do not know what's inside. So as I unbox, I'm just gonna show you what's inside this brand new box. So the packaging it's very DJI, very compact. I love their packaging. All right, let me figure out how to open this. Okay, so there's a latch here. Just bear with me, guys, because it's my first time doing this, obviously, because it's a new product from DJI. So DJI just launched this like very recently, and I was always looking for a action cam where I can do kind of POV kind of shoots, because the one that I'm using now, which is this Osmo Pocket 3, which is good for doing vlogs and stuff. Sometimes if you want to do like POV stuff, you know, it's very hard to put that camera on you. It's kind of like long and stuff. So it's hard to shoot this kind of POV videos, right? Especially unboxing stuff where you want to show what's from the actual point of view of the person looking at it, right? So I like to shoot cars as well. So I was trying out a different kind of camera style, different cameras around my cars, and I didn't find that I like any of those footages, mainly because the mounting point of the cameras doesn't give a nice perspective as opposed to one that is on you. And when you do this kind of shoot, especially when you're driving, it's nice to have the driver's view. And I think this action cam really fits the bill. But anyway, that's what I think. I haven't tested it out yet. I'm just unboxing it. So let's just unbox it, right? So that's the reason why I bought it. So anyway, so it comes with this white box. I don't know what's inside. All right, so it comes with a USB-C cable like this. All right. Oh, this is nice. This is a suction cup. All right, so it's the suction cup where you can put it on glass surface. So I'm just going to tear it open, man. So this is brand new stuff. I'm going to show it to you. Oh, nice. So it comes with this suction cup thing where you put on the camera, I guess, like that. Okay, so it comes this one. What else? This is, okay, I think I know what this is. This is the neck thing, the neck. So this is how I've seen some videos of people using it already, so I know what it is. So it's like you wear this on your neck and you can mount the camera on you. Looks pretty neat. Right, so it comes with this as well. Nice. Okay, I bought the 128 GB one. So it comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. And let's see what's in this pack. Right, so this is brand new, man. I'm just, oops. Okay, never mind. Yep, real life bloopers there. Oh, okay. This is a casing for the camera itself. Nice. So it comes with a nice protective case. You don't have to spend money to buy. It comes with it. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, what is this? Okay, bear with me guys as I open the pack. Okay, I like the plastic packing where when you tear it out, it doesn't rip open. You can actually reseal it. Yeah, very thoughtful of DJI to do this. Okay, this is the one that you mount it on your cap. It's a clip where you can mount it on the cap, and you put your action cam here. This is perfect for pickleball, man. Yeah, and whatever sports you're using it for. Yeah, so you can see there's a clip here. You can clip on your cap. Yeah, the cap goes right in here, and you can mount your camera here. Nice, nice, nice. So guys, you really don't need to spend extra when you buy this this camera, which is very, very good, because a lot of times when you buy action cameras like this, then you have to buy accessories, and you have to order it, and you have to wait for the accessories come before you can actually really use it, right? So I'm glad that DJI actually thought of everything already. Very nice, very nice. So in the box, there's nothing left inside. Oh, this is where you register your warranty, I guess. The QR code. Oh, there's a nice sticker. Very nice. Amazing, I love it. So yeah, DJI sticker. Nice. Nice touch, man. I love stickers. Alright, and over here is the action cam itself. Nice. It's so small. Man, okay. I'll be extra careful then. Oh wow. It's actually like that, magnetically together. Like it's actually separate stuff, right? So let me open first the bottom. I guess this is the screen where the camera mounts it to. Oh, nice. It's so small. All right, so this is the protective layer where the screen is, where you have to rip it apart. Not going to do it now. I'm going to show you later. Oh, nice. There's an opening here. USB-C port, and I believe it's a micro SD expandable memory slot that you can put it in. Nice. Cool. All right, so the screen is here. Let me just preview it for you. The screen. All right. I actually bought a screen protector, order it from a third-party third-party screen protector, but it haven't arrived, so I'm just going to leave it here first. I'm going to install it when it arrives. So this is the what do you call this, the screen, right? And this is the actual camera itself. All right guys, this is live unboxing. All right, brand new DJI Nano. Oh, cool. Nice. So small. And I like how all the things is sealed. Even the lens is sealed with a sticker. So it's like, man, it's like brand new. Yeah, of course it's brand new, but the stuff that goes to packing and presenting it this way, I think DJI is really thoughtful of doing it. Nice. So guys, this is it. I guess this is the unboxing video. I really can't talk much about it because I haven't used it yet. Of course, if you want to know the specs and all that, this is not the video for you, but this is just an unboxing video of what you see when you buy the DJI Nano, Osmo Nano, and what's included in the box. Of course, once I get to use it, I'll probably create another video to tell you more about this. So guys, I hope you enjoy. the Osmo Nano, DJI Osmo Nano. Oh, that's like long, man. Yeah, so this is the unboxing video. Hope you guys like it. Please like and share. This is what you get when you buy one. All right, thanks guys. Catch you later. The next one, I'm going to be trying out this, and yeah, it's going to be awesome. Thanks.